Well, Fire Station 17 on Davis Islands is still feeling the impacts of Hurricane Helene. That building took on several feet of water, forcing firefighters out and into temporary housing. News Channel 8's Georgia MacArthur joins us now live with the very latest. Georgia.
Now, Josh, firefighters are still responding to calls here on Davis Islands, but they are staying in trailers behind here. They say it is just a temporary fix until the station can be rebuilt.
When floodwaters swept across Davis Islands after Hurricane Helene, Fire Station 17 wasn't spared.
The station itself took on approximately 3 feet of water, which damaged our HVAC equipment and electrical equipment. We had drywall damage, and of course, just like our neighbors, our furniture was out on the curb as well.
The station not only houses firefighters, but a marine unit that responds to calls on the water. That night, crews were forced to evacuate.
And that night, they had to evacuate, again, just like many of our neighbors, to get out of the station.
A year later, they've been working out of trailers since.
They're obviously living in modulars, and operating out of modular units isn't the ideal, but they're doing very well.
The city says they started assessing the damage after the storm, only to face another threat.
Fortunately, we were able to secure 8 units, brand new units, and they were on their way when we learned Hurricane Milton was on its way.
The station sits just 12 feet above sea level, and long-term plans include demolishing and rebuilding.
But again, it's only 12 feet above sea level, and like our neighbors, we need to build up. Tampa Fire Rescue, working along with our budget grants team, is actively and aggressively pursuing grants to secure the funding to be able to demolish and rebuild.
For now, they say the trailers are just a temporary fix until they can secure the grant funding. In the meantime, they do say that the trailers that they live in can withstand some flooding, but unfortunately not all. Reporting live in Tampa, I'm Georgia MacArthur, 8 on your side.